Hi, welcome to another video. Today we're going to see some admin tasks to clean up and keep your projects tidy. So one thing will be removing excluded files. So after all users have synced the files to be deleted from their computers with the exclude option, you can just as admin remove them permanently. So you can just right click and remove item. So this will remove that item and it's going to be no longer in your project list. You also have option as administrator to go into projects and delete them and manage them. So you can go into, click on the delete button, and this will remove the project. The deleted projects will go into the archive project section where you can restore them back into if you want to. You can also delete them all if you want to, or you can just restore them back to the project. So just some quick admin tasks, how to maintain your data using OpenBOM design projects. Thank you. See you in another video.